Hi children, welcome to Mystic Kids. Let's dive into an interesting story today. Welcome to the jungle of Jumbo. This is the story of Elly, a little elephant with big ears and an even bigger heart. Are you ready to go on an adventure with her? In the heart of the jungle of Jumbo lived a cheerful little elephant named Elly. She loved playing with her big family and splashing in the muddy river. One evening, Grandma Elephant told Elly a story about a magical rainbow waterfall that sparkled with colors and laughter. That night, Elly dreamed of the waterfall, and she knew she had to find it. As the sun peeked over the trees, Elly packed her snacks and tiptoed into the unknown. First, she met Tiki the toucan, who flapped down from the treetops. Looking for the waterfall? He chirped. You're on the right path. The bridge creaked and wobbled, but Elly took a deep breath and kept going. When the rain came, Elly giggled and danced before resting beneath a giant red mushroom. Momo the monkey swung by, sharing his banana and cheering Elly up with a silly song. Along the path, she found a lost baby turtle. With her trunk, she gently led it home. A cave loomed ahead, dark and twisty. Elly's heart beat fast, but she remembered Grandma's stories about being brave. As she stepped inside, magical fireflies lit up the walls, leading her safely through. At last, Elly reached it, the Rainbow Waterfall. It shimmered and sang as water danced into the pool. Elly made a wish, not for toys or treats, but for everyone in the jungle to be happy. With her heart full and her ears flapping, Elly ran back home to share her tale. Thanks kids, we'll be back with another amazing story. Bye.